Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Alpecin Grey Attack Caffeine and Color Shampoo. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a shampoo that will color your hair. So as you can see, it is right here on Amazon. So they claim to have natural looking color effect, gradually darker and stronger hair, and best for light brown to black hair. So as you can see, they claim to have naturally reduces first the gray hairs, control the color intensity, and your daily hair routine. So as you can see, they are rated 3.4 out of 5 stars here on Amazon, which is not that great, which is about average. However, if they are really legit or that good, they would have a higher score. So let's read some reviews, and they have 300 ratings here. So let's read some reviews down here. So this person said that it's pretty good. This person said that it's worthless. Great value. Coloring shampoo. Others should know that this shampoo didn't color my husband's gray hair. We were disappointed. I don't know why they rated it 3 stars though. Did not work for my gray hair, but it is a good shampoo. It doesn't work, best product, and a lot more. So I think this product depends on your hair. If our hairs depend or vary, our hairs are not the same. So if you want to go ahead and try this product out, you should go for it, since it might work for you and it might not. But before buying this product, I advise you to do some research to make sure that this product works for you. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.